Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Cisco Webex, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Cisco Webex, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the official Cisco Webex website. Locate the download section on the home page. Click on the download button for the Webex Meetings app. Once the download is complete, navigate to your downloads folder. Locate the Webex installation file. Double-click the installation file to start the setup process. If a security prompt appears, click Yes to allow the installation. Read the license agreement, then click Accept to proceed. Choose your preferred installation location or use the default. Click Next to continue with the installation. Once the progress bar indicates the installation is complete, click Finish. Now, launch the Webex app from your desktop or Start menu. On the welcome screen, enter your email address. Click Next to progress to the sign-in page. If you have a Webex account, enter your credentials and click Sign In. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up to create one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. Once signed in, you can customize your audio and video settings. Test your microphone and speakers to ensure they are working correctly. You are now ready to use Cisco Webex for online meetings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.